Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to change the keyboard language in this device. If you are new in this channel, please do subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more tech videos. So friends, let's get started. To change the keyboard language in this device, first go to your message application. Then first try to create one message. Then you can see this is the keyboard and here you can see only one language is here, English UK. To change the keyboard or to add any new language to this keyboard, for that tap on settings. Here you can see this is the settings. Just tap on it, then tap on language and types, tap on it, then tap on manage input languages, tap on it. So here you can see some languages and from here you can easily apply any language to your keyboard. So if you want to apply the Hindi, then just turn on, then go back to your keyboard. Then here you can see the space bar. Just swipe right or left, you can see the keyboard is changing. Again I will show you. Now you can see this is Hindi keyboard. Just swipe right or left, you can see the language is changing. The same way you can add one more language, more than one language in this keyboard. So if you want to add Malayalam, then if you want to add Nepali, then you can easily add any language to your keyboard and go back, then go to keyboard, then swipe right or left, you can see the keyboard is changing. So if you want to delete any language from this keyboard, again go to settings, tap on language and types, then tap on manage input languages, then just turn off any language that you want to delete from your keyboard. So if you now I am going to disable for Malayalam and Nepali, then go back. Now you can see only two language, English and Hindi. Go to your keyboard and just swipe right or left, you can see there is only two languages, English and Hindi. So simply in this way you can change the keyboard language in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. If you like this one, please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe this channel for more updates. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.